show you how to cut the tree down. Ready? I'm gonna cut the tree down.
Idiot! Help me.
Here it goes. The tree's coming down.
That's how not awesome he is.
Woo.
Move not.
Get closer, get closer. You gotta see this.
No, this is too scary.
Oh, dang. Oh, my God.
It's stuck, I know. How did you get it stuck, Romex? He got it stuck.
Hold on. It's gonna come down. Just relax.
How did you get a chainsaw stuck in there? Oh my God, that whole tree looks like it's gonna come down. Yeah, you're not strong enough.
Hold on, I got it.
This,
Back on. You ready?
okay,
Give me 5 minutes.
this stinks.
It's either me or the chainsaw.
You're stupid, Romex.
No, you're stupid.
No, I'm not stupid, you are.
Yeah, you're stupid.
No, I'm not stupid, you are.
It's coming down. It's coming down. Do you
No.
see it? Do you see it? It's already down. But the
Yes.
chainsaw's stuck.
That's your fault. That's why he's so stupid.
That's never happened before.
Yeah,